Hi everyone, my name is Manisha and welcome all to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show y'all a makeup tutorial using only 3 products. So I'm gonna give all the product detail in the description box, and yeah, if you're interested please keep watching. So let's start without wasting any time. So first thing what I do is of course tie up my hair always, so it does not disturb me while doing my makeup. So the first product before applying any makeup, you always need to moisturize your skin. I'm using moisturizer of Biotic Morning Nectar Face Moisturizer, and it is very hydrating. And please excuse my pink face. Whenever I apply any sort of cream it turns out to be pink. I don't know why on earth it turns pink, but it's not any product reaction, so it's natural. The first makeup product I'm gonna use is a foundation from Maybline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade of 220, which is natural beige. This foundation is of my skin color. So always make sure when you buy a foundation that matches your skin color. I'm using this foundation because this foundation is amazing. It gives matte finish and blends so good on your skin. So if you are planning to buy a foundation, then I would recommend you to buy this one. So I'm gonna apply the foundation all over my face. Since I'm doing a makeup tutorial using only 3 products, so I'm keeping this makeup very natural. So I have not applied any sort of concealer on my red spots that I have on my face, but this foundation covers up most of the spots and makes the spots one shade lighter. So I'm gonna blend this foundation with the cutest foundation applicator that I have with me. I love this applicator so much, it's so cute, and the bristles of this applicator is so soft, feels like heaven on my skin. And I got it for 95 rupees only. The second product I'm using is a mascara from Maybline New York Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. Honestly guys, this mascara is so good. It gives my lashes so much of drama. I have long lashes guys. When I use this mascara it looks so pretty. You must give this product a try, and I feel y'all gonna love this product, especially for those who have long lashes. This gives your lashes so much of thickness. Once you use this product you're gonna love this. I also use the mascara to brush up my eyebrows because I don't like to use eyebrow pencil or gel too much. I use this mascara to give my eyebrows a natural look. This gives my eyebrows a natural look, so I love to do this on my daily basis makeup. Makeup product is lipstick. So the lipstick I'm using is from Maybline New York in the shade of Divine Wine. So what I do is just dab the lipstick on my lips because this lipstick is very pigmented. Just 3-4 dab gives me so much of color. So after dabbing I spread it all over the lips using my finger. And I use this same lipstick to give a blush on my cheeks. I do this when I go to college every day, and I just love this concept. I don't know why, but I love it to do this. So yeah, I'm done doing my makeup. So yeah guys, this is the end of the makeup tutorial. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up guys, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video guys.